Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Garmin Vivoactive 5. To begin, simply press the top right button to access the activity menu. Scroll through the options and select an outdoor activity like run or bike. Your watch will then automatically start searching for a GPS signal, indicated by a green ring around the screen. This ensures accurate tracking of your outdoor adventures from the very start. Once you've chosen your activity, your Vivoactive 5 will display a message like GPS ready or show a solid green ring. This means it has successfully connected to satellites. It typically takes only a few seconds in an open area. Now, press the top right button one more time to start your workout. You'll see your activity timer begin, and your watch will immediately start recording your route and performance data. As you exercise, your Vivoactive 5 continuously displays key GPS metrics. You can customize data screens to show information like your current pace, total distance, and average speed. After completing and saving your activity, all this valuable data, including a detailed map of your route, is available for review directly on your watch or through the Garmin Connect application on your phone. This helps you track progress and analyze your performance. To ensure the best GPS performance, always make sure your Vivoactive 5 has the latest software updates. Also, syncing your watch with the Garmin Connect app frequently helps it quickly locate satellites. For extended activities, consider using the Ultra Track GPS mode, which can significantly prolong your battery life, offering up to 24 hours of continuous tracking compared to the standard 20 hours. This helps you track even your longest adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.